What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Me and Ruger are running to town. It's my dog Ruger. I don't know if I've introduced him to you guys. I think the intro video, and that was it. I just wanted to touch on something. Sorry if it's bumpy, but I have to do it while my head's on it. So it's a tough subject, living with depression. Like, how do you do it, right? Is it your fault? There's a lot of sources for depression. Some people, it's you're in a bad marriage. Some people, it's you have a brain injury and it's a symptom, it's a side effect, right? So a lot of these doctors, in my opinion, misdiagnose brain injuries and PTSD and different struggles like that, just because they say you're depressed, here's some Prozac, take this. They have a lot of similar symptoms. How can you have a brain injury and not be depressed, to be honest with you? I am in a way better situation than I ever was. Not ever, but in the last 5 years since my brain injury. I'm in a better spot and whatnot, but every single day I deal with depression. Every single day I wake up, every single day I'm wore out, every single day I'm tired, every single day I don't want to do this stuff. Yesterday I had a big hurdle I had to jump over. I really didn't want to crank out videos. My brain wasn't working. I had to get something to eat, something to drink. Video one got done, and all of a sudden I had momentum. I started feeling good. The depression was going away. Probably endorphins released in my system from doing the video and realizing I made it through there, got my brain turning, stuff like that. So just know, guys, there are a lot of people that are dealing with depression. I don't think that means you need to be miserable, because I'm by no means miserable. It's just life's hard. Bite my tongue. I was going to put some choice words in front of that, but life is hard, and with life comes depression, with life comes challenges, with life comes hurdles, right? And whether it's a brain injury, whether it's a divorce, whatever it is that you're depressed about, the only way to get out of that is to get momentum in some direction. Get a focus, get a hobby, get something. When my brain didn't work, my hobby was fishing. So go get some worms, put them on a hook, cast it out, set up a lawn chair, and sit next to a lake. If your brain doesn't work, trust me, sitting next to a lake will lower your anxiety. It will help with your depression. It gives your brain something to focus on while you're looking at beauty and whatnot. So, I don't know exactly the point of this video. It's more just, living with depression, having hope, guys. I'm going to get more into this as far as different techniques I use to jump over my depression and get into production, get into being productive, whatever that is. So for a brain injury person, productive may be one thing. Maybe getting out of bed. It may be not crying today. It may be not trying to kill yourself today. People aren't touching on these on these subjects because they're difficult, and it's not pretty. Like, everybody wants to have an answer for everything, and some depression it doesn't have an answer. It's your brain don't work, so you're gonna be depressed because it sucks. You know what I mean? That's just part of it. It sucks. So I just want to let you guys know I'm here for you. Comment below if you guys need anything. You guys can also reach out on other social media platforms. On Instagram, I am the Traveling Angler. The _traveling _angler. Like fisherman, ANGLER. Feel free to shoot me a message, guys. I don't judge you. Just because if you guys reach out to me, it's going to give me video content. It's going to give me ideas, and I don't mind shooting some messages back and forth and helping you guys one-on-one right now. If the community gets way bigger and I'm really getting blown up, I'll grow it. I'll get an organization. I'll hire people with brain injuries. I will teach them my thinking and my practices. Who knows what this turns into? Maybe doing camps and stuff for brain injury people, but I appreciate you guys. I just want to let you guys know, if you guys are depressed, I feel you. So am I. My life is not peaches and cream. Though I am blessed and a lot better than others, I am also dealing with struggles that a lot of people probably will never ever even be able to wrap their head around. I don't focus on my struggles. I do to my parents. I'll vent to my parents. Those poor people have to hear me complain a lot. Nobody else does. Not even in my head do I. For whatever reason, I get around my parents and it's like verbal vomit. But with other people, I'm not. It's just stay positive. Focus on the positive. There's a lot of negative in your life. Focus on the positive. If you're focusing on the positive, you forget about the negative. Being a part of these brain injury pages has actually been hard on me because it reminds me of everything I deal with on a daily basis and how hard my life is. I've been able to put a lot of this stuff out of mind. A lot of this stuff I didn't even realize existed. Like ringing in my ears, I ignore it. And I saw everybody was having a problem with it. I turned my music down and I sat there quietly. Sure enough, constant. You know what I mean? So, let's grow together. I hope that this helps, gives you some sort of motivation or something. I'm going to have to listen back and make sure that I didn't get too all over the place. But depression, excuse my language, is a motherfucker, guys. Depression, it'll get you. Don't let it get you. We can beat this thing, and it's a mindset thing. It's how you think. And when your brain's damaged, it's frustrating because you can't control how you think. Your brain controls everything. I've done back injuries. I've, been to prison. I've made a lot of bad choices. I've put myself in a lot of hard situations, and none of them are as hard as a brain injury. So stay strong, guys. Don't forget, reach out to me. You can message me. You can comment below. I'll get you my information. Whatever you need. Don't let depression beat you, guys. You're not alone. You're not the only one that, suicidal thoughts and stuff run through your head. Although I have gotten to the point that I don't have suicidal thoughts, where my brain used to short circuit to how to kill yourself. I mean, there's been multiple times in my life where there's days upon days upon days where all I do is think about how to kill myself. So, if you're in that position, make sure to reach out, guys, and talk to me. I promise you I have some insight, maybe some tips or tricks, help you turn that dark corner, So once again, the Traveling Angler on Instagram. Add me. You could direct message me on there. We are coming up on 10 minutes. Do me a favor, like, subscribe, comment, share, hit the bell so you don't miss any episodes. That way you see them all. And share these videos with anybody that you think of that could benefit from something like this, because mental health, I don't think it's talked about enough. I think it's talked too much as we're victims. We are not victims. No. And if you have that victim mentality, you're not going to make it. You're not. So don't listen to that victim bullshit. Um, Picture a damn lion. Picture a lion. And picture yourself being that lion. And sometimes that lion's injured. And even when that lion's injured, he is still king of the jungle, guys. Have a good one. See you on the next one.